Okay, your exam has been started.
Hi, my name is Kokila. I want to tell about myself. My name is Kokila. My father name is Srinivas. My mother name is Ramadevi. My hobbies are reading books, watching TV, and my strength is my happiness and studying. Um, my mom is working in petrol bunk. Tell me about pen is a tool which is used for writing or drawing. Um, there are number of companies in pen and number of colors, and blue and black pen are used blue and black pens. Red pen is used teachers, and principal uses the green pen. Ha 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 kha cha ja tha tha ja za za cha fa va ha ra ya ha ha nya hub hubble hub hat hubble cap heaven hitter hot advice love hide disclose seize mistake miss Jew, disown, race, fun, offer, thug, victory, level, brave, window, swift, pull, dairy, ring, market, tractor, yard, mayor, toy, reason, Highland, potty. Thanks. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you should come to show you go. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go. Some English grammar song. To sing and hear the beauty of English grammar. I love to sing and share the beauty of English grammar. Subject, verb, and object. Present becomes perfect. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they are subject pronouns. They are subject pronouns. We, us, you, him, her, and it, and they are object pronouns. They are object pronouns. Perfect tenses. One is perfect and perfect continuous are on their branches we count. Harry's mom asked him to clean the garage. A student at an all boys high school should be on his best behavior. Mary nor I knew why the store was closed. After the training, you and I must discuss a few things. I missed the bus because I was late. The queue was very long, so I didn't wait. Queue. The distance was too long to cover. Distance. I went to the market and brought a lot of fruits. The traffic in this city is unbearable. I have to cut my hair today.
Okay.
Hi friends, today I would like to tell about myself. Hi friends, I would like to describe about me. I am Kokila. He is my best friend. We are neighbors. They are his friends. You are tall. I have a sister. She is very smart. If you don't change the changing will change you. So better changing before the change exchange you. She is a aeronautical engineer. There are businessmen. She is an air hostess. She is student. They are students. She is an English teacher. Mr. Rambabu is a librarian. My neighbors are an upholsteress. Dr. Shamla is a orthopedist. My brother is getting her eyes tested at a ophthalmologist. There is a very big room. She is a very intelligent girl. She helps everyone. He is an intelligent boy. He can solve through problems in maths. I have a soft blanket. The dog is very soft. I bought a few books for my friends. We are good friends. We meet every day. The water in the bottle is very cool. The ball is in the box. The bottle on the table. Home theater under the table. Start to Sridevi. A chair behind laptop. I sit in front of computer. I sit between Sridevi and Shravani. Can you wait for me at the bus stop? Your bag is at the corner of the room. He is standing under the tree. There is a monkey sitting on the tree. I am walking on the road. We are swimming in the river. Our home is on the other side. Standing, she is standing along an old man across the stop. There are many chairs. There are many chairs. There is a sofa in the room. It's on the table. There are lots of hair on my head. There are no water. There is no water in the bottle. Plants are in the garden. They aren't. They do not know. My sister helps my father in the kitchen. Raju shares anything with us. My dog eats only meat. He sings well, but he doesn't do not. He sings well. She she gets good grades too. It climbed good trees. It's climbed. All 17 MPs in TS are educated, cleared in TET. Among the 17 Lok Sabha members from Telangana state, there is a veterinarian, an pilot, and 2 postgraduates. According to affidavits submitted to the commission, all 17 are educated, with the minimum educational qualification being an intermediate pass. BJP MP D. Arvind is the youngest MP and has completed postgraduate study, as has the party's Karimnagar MP Bandi Sanjay. In the recent Lok Sabha polls, Telangana Rashtra Samiti got 9 seats, the BJP 4, the Congress 3, and the AIMIM retained is Hyderabad. Among the 9 elected from the TRS, Pedapalli MP Venkatesh Neta Borlakunta, which graduate seems to be the most highly qualified MP in the.
Tell me how to make lemon juice. Chapisa.
Took 2 lemons and cut them into pieces, each one. Peel the lemon and mix some salt and stir the water till the sugar will dissolve. The lemon juice.
Okay, congratulations. ఈ పేరెంట్ చదివేసి నెక్స్ట్
Prashanti.
సో నెక్స్ట్